Alan Karr on behalf of Window Cleaning Magazine. In today's video, we're going to do a top 5. Top 5 ways to increase your revenue in 2018 without spending, well, maybe spending a little money. Number 5, get healthy. I know what you're thinking. He's going to preach to us about working out and losing weight. That's not what I'm going to say. What you should be doing ahead of time before you start your season is just doing simple things like just watch your diet a little bit. Eat all the same things you like to eat, but just watch the portions. Eat a salad every day. Try and drink a lot more water and get out there and get some exercise. I like to walk 5 kilometers a day even when I'm in the season. It just keeps my energy levels up, which allows me to get more work done in a day, which increases my revenue and frees up more time for new work, giving me more money. Number 4, tools. There are tools out there that help us get more work done in a day, that make us more efficient. Now, the 2 that come to mind are the Mormon Liquidator. With the end clips, it allows us to get all the water, all the soap off the glass, especially around the edges, so we don't have to do any detailing, saving us some time, increasing our revenue, allowing us to get more jobs done, making us more money. Now, the second tool that's out there is the Constructor Brush by Reach It. Now, that allows us, with the rinse bar, it allows us to keep the brush on the glass so we don't have to do any extra rinsing, saving us some time, allowing us to get more work done, allowing us to add more work, increasing our revenue. 2 really great tools that are going to help you in 2018. Number 3, get organized. Now, it really is a simple thing. I think sometimes we can get too caught up in the work that we're doing, and we get too flustered and we don't prepare every day. There's some simple things that you can do. If you don't already have an app to create estimates and invoices, there's some free options available like joist.com. Go to there. They have a great app that allows you to create estimates and invoices and keep and record all of your clients for 2018. What also does is allows you to print out those invoices ahead of time, saving you some time from doing it in the morning when you're trying to get out the door so you can get to your first job. And secondly, or you can do it right on the job site. You can fill out the invoice or the estimate and send it right to your client by email, saving you time, allowing you to get more work done, which increases your revenue, making you more money. Number 2, stay off social media. I'm guilty of this. I love YouTube. We all love Facebook. But if we keep watching the social media when we're working, we're not going to get any work done and we're going to fall behind. And over the course of a year, that we lose a lot of money. So what I like to do is I have 2 phones. One is it just has my phone number on it. There's no data. If somebody phones me, a client, somebody gets my number, then I can talk to them right away and book that job. My second phone allows me to talk on the phone. It's a phone, and it also has data, allowing me to check my emails later on in the day when I have a little more free time. So this saves me time, increases my revenue, and makes me more money. Number 1, this is an important one. It's a simple one, but it's an important one. Increase your revenue. We have to, I know it's hard to do. We have a lot of clients who we've done work for over the years and we haven't raised their prices, but things are going up around us. I know where I live in Canada, the minimum wage has gone up substantially. Gas prices are going up everywhere. Even the cell phone prices are going up crazy where I live. So it's important that we have to stay ahead of the curve. So we have to increase our prices, but I wouldn't feel too sorry for the clients, especially residential clients, because house values are going up big time. So I think it's important that you stay ahead of the curve. Increase those prices by 20%. You're going to lose a few clients, but that's okay, because I think in the long run you're going to increase your revenue without doing any extra marketing. And I think with all those 5 tips, you're going to see a big savings. You're going to see a big increase, and really you didn't spend much money. So that's my top 5 on behalf of Window Cleaning Magazine. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.